Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm sharing a pizza topping recipe which is very unique. Somebody who was very health conscious definitely would get interested about this pizza topping. Moringa cheese pizza, yes, you heard me right. Moringa as a topping which I've used to make this pizza. Let's see in detail. Before that, let me first welcome everyone to Laddu's kitchen. If you find the video useful, do share, like it. Definitely do leave a like, and if you still not subscribed, do subscribe to our channel. Yes, today the recipe is moringa cheese pizza. The pizza dough is something which I have posted couple of days before. I'll give the link in the description as well in the iCard. You can just check, which is made of multigrain, not using all purpose, which is again make it more healthy, which I have saved it to make a pizza. The earlier one which I have made was which I made of course bread. Now how to make this moringa is take a cup of tender moringa leaves which you need to be dry roasted, but ensure that do not dry roasting too much. We need to retain its color, and of course we need to retain its nutritional value. By doing too much it will kill them, so let's do it very little time, but leave it. Once it is completely cooled down, you will get this texture. Once you make a fine powder using a mixer jar, you get a kind of a dried fenugreek leaves, the methi or any other herb that you get. Keep that in a separate bowl. Now this is the pizza dough, multigrain pizza dough, which I posted like I said a day before. Take it and grease the baking tray and dust it with flour, and you can give it a good shape by using your palm, or you can roll it with a roller. However you're comfortable with, you can give it a shape and press the edges, sides rather, so that the toppings stay in the center. It doesn't come out when it gets baked, the cheese, etc. That is the idea of doing that. Give it a nice press using your fingers so that it doesn't get puff up when you bake it. This is how exactly it should look like, and you can give it a design using fork if you want on the sides around the pizza, and then prick it using the fork so that it gets cooked evenly all over. That is the idea of pricking with fork. Once it is done, here you go. This is the base. Now I am topping with the dried crushed moringa leaves. The moringa leaves has got some bittery, grassy taste to it. People who like that definitely would love this pizza too. More, it has got plenty of medicinal benefits, especially in this time of pandemic which is affecting us. It's better to get our body immune as much as we can. Moringa has got everything in it. So do give this pizza recipe a try using this moringa dried leaves. So once you sprinkled a good handful of dried moringa, then apply pizza sauce or tomato sauce, whichever you have it at home, and good handful of cheese goes in, and of course the herbs, Italian herbs like oregano, basil leaves, etc. goes in. If you have a mixed dry herbs, I have it, sprinkle all around. Oregano gives the best taste, but luckily I have the mixed herbs which has got everything in it, like basil, rosemary, everything, which I am sprinkling it on top, and preheat the oven at to 180 or 200 depending on the oven. Actually that timing varies from oven to oven, so mine generally 200 degree for 10 minutes preheat, and I bake it at 200 for 30 minutes. Pizza, any of my pizza. Here you go. This is before this going into the oven. After it is baked, and I have given this first to my husband, and he said it definitely it is good. He could get the taste of the moringa despite the Italian herbs in it. which is what the more unique about this pizza. And definitely it was definitely not something different which you cannot have. So he gave a big thumbs up. After that only I thought, let me share it with all of you, and you may want to give it a try, and do let me know how you liked it. Looking forward to hear from you on how this tastes to you. Thank you so much for tuning into Lato's Kitchen. Keep supporting us. Looking forward to seeing you.